السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كي دايرين أصدقائي حبيباتي؟ إن شاء الله تكونوا كلكم بصحة جيدة، تكون أحوالكم طيبة بإذن الله. اليوم إن شاء الله كيف ما كتشوفوا غنديكم معايا في جولة إلى مغارة هرقل، نرصدوا الأجواء ونتمتعوا بالمناظر الخلابة بإذن الله. وغنديكم معايا كذلك في نفس اليوم إلى شلالة أقشور بإذن الله. بقاو معايا إلى آخر الفيديو على بركة الله. Hi guys, how are you? I hope that you are doing well, my friends, and that you are healthy. Today, once again, I'm going to take you with me into a beautiful walk, and this time we are going to discover caverns of Hercules or caves of Hercules. You can call it as you want. It's really so beautiful place. As you can see, this is archaeological cave and it's situated into Morocco, exactly in the west of Tangier, and this is really so popular, so beautiful place for tourists and so attractive. So I really hope that you're going to enjoy my video, because in the next we are going to discover another beautiful waterfall place. So stay with me, my friends, and enjoy it.
It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Good.
because they are afraid that sometimes if they open it,
it's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
هذه.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame.
أصدقائي الطيبين، وصلنا نهاية الفيديو. كنتمنى تكونوا استمتعتوا معايا بهذه المناظر الطبيعية والخلابة بإذن الله. وكما العادة ما تنساوش إلا عجبكم الفيديو تشتركوا عندي في القناة، تفعلوا الجرس باش يوصلكم الجديد، وما تبخلوش عليا باللايكات ديالكم وبالتعليقات ديالكم. أصدقائي الطيبين، جزاكم الله ألف خير، وشكرا لكم على المتابعة. في رعاية الله وفي حفظه. مع السلامة. Here is the end of my first part video, guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed it. And of course, if you do like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and of course like and comment. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and see you in the next videos, guys. Stay happy and healthy. Bye.